Chris. I'm going to show you how. So head over here to the freestyle tool. This is our general purpose tool where you can type in anything. So let's say we want a discount email. Next, all you have to do is put a little bit of information. So you tell the AI, hey, it's Copy.ai, and the discount code is Memorial22 for 20% off. You can even tell it what structure you want it in. So for us, we want to tie it to Memorial Day, and we want to end with a call to action. Next, just adjust the tone, and then click Create Copy. Within seconds, you should get tons of different ideas. And take a look at these. It's like having your own AI brainstorming partner right at your fingertips. So what are you waiting for? Try it out today.